Title: Understanding of Elements and Compounds. Salam, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into two fundamental concepts in chemistry: elements and compounds. These are building blocks of matter, and understanding them is crucial for our journey in chemistry. Let's get started. 1. Elements. Alright, let's talk about elements. An element is a substance that cannot be broken down into simpler substances by any chemical means. It is made up of only one type of atom. This is the periodic table. It's like a cheat sheet for all the elements we know. Each box represents a different element. For example, hydrogen, helium, carbon, and oxygen are all elements. Properties of elements. Elements have unique properties. They can be classified as metals, non-metals, or metalloids based on their physical and chemical characteristics. For instance, metals like iron and copper are good conductors of electricity, while non-metals like oxygen and sulfur are typically poor conductors. 2. Compounds. Now, let's move on to compounds. A compound is a substance formed when two or more elements chemically combine in fixed ratios. The atoms of different elements bond together to form molecules. Take water, for example. It's a compound made up of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom, N as H2O. The properties of a compound are completely different from the properties of the elements that make it up. Properties of compounds. Compounds have their own unique set of properties, different from the elements that form them. For example, water is a liquid at room temperature, even though both hydrogen and oxygen are gases. Chemical formulas. Every compound has a chemical formula that shows the types and numbers of atoms present. It's like a recipe that tells us what elements are in the compound and how many of each. This is the chemical formula for water: 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Importance of elements and compounds. Elements and compounds are the building blocks of all the matter around us. Understanding them helps us understand how substances interact and react with each other. From the food we eat to the materials we use, everything involves elements and compounds. I hope this clarifies the concepts of elements and compounds for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Remember, these concepts are foundational in our study of chemistry.